Continuing our traversing array example, we're going to write find max. And I wrote find min traversing through the indices of the array, and I'm going to write find max by traversing through the values in the array. So come back over here to main. Just to show you what main is doing again, we generate a random array of random length with random entries. We call the function find min. Now we're going to have an integer max and call the function find max. You know, there's probably built-in functions that do this, but we want to learn how to do these methods ourselves. So, and it's a common thing. We should all know how to do this. And then, you know, I know that it's not ready, but let's go ahead and print that guy out as well. Just modeling it on the previous example. I know that it's going to have the method call that followed by the print statement to check it. Okay, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom to write find max. Returning an integer, the maximum. Oops, all one word, find max. It's accepting an integer array as a parameter. I'm just going to call it array. It's probably not the best name, but I figure within the method it probably doesn't matter. And then, you know, for some reason it didn't like just returning an empty array. Oh, maybe that's just because in the assignment. Yeah, maybe if I do it like that, let's see what happens. It doesn't like it. You can use those braces when you assign an array, but it doesn't really like it. The return statement without that. So I'm just going to set up a temporary array, and I'll put 0 in it. And then I'll return that temporary array, just like we did before. Oh, I see what's wrong. It's not returning an integer. Oh, it is returning an integer, sorry. Going too fast. Return 0. We're not returning an array here, we're returning 0. Okay, and let's copy this, these comments and paste them in here. Method will traverse through array using the values, the elements, traverse through the array using the values, and return the minimum value. The maximum value. Okay, so similarly to the last logics, we want to set up the max to equal the first value in the array. So I'm going to go array.0. And then I'm going to use a for each loop. So I'm going to say for integer value in the array. So this is saying for each value in the array, it's going to roll through them. So when do we want to replace the max? If the max is less than the value, that means that the value is bigger than the maximum. So we then replace the max with that value. So notice I'm not using the indices. I'm now going to be rotating through the values in the list. And it's done. But what I can't do, if I want to alter those values, I can, but it'll just alter the variable value. It won't alter the entry in the array. Okay, so that guy's quick. Let's run it. And the min is 34, the max is 99. Well, that only has 2 elements, so that's not a very interesting one. Another one with 2 elements. Here's one with 4, so a min of 8 and a max of 99, good. Again, 2 elements. We haven't had one with 10, which is interesting. 4, 7, so 20 and 83. Perfect, it's working good. Notice, you know, it's nice to have those values that you're testing there because it helps us know when you have multiple values that you're testing, you know, which one's which. So let's look at these 2 ways to traverse through the array. Here they are. min and max. Min, we're traversing through the indices of the array up to the array length. Max, we're traversing through the values in the array. And I'm tempted to just keep going. Yeah, let's end it and I'll start a new video.